Leadership isn't about status, it's about sacrifice and the growth of your team. Today, we're mastering manager coaching excellence. It starts with the daily huddle. 15 minutes every morning. Review the numbers, but more importantly, role play one objection. Win the day before it begins. Next, ride-alongs. You can't coach what you don't see. Observe the deals in real time, then give specific, actionable feedback immediately after. This is how champions are made. You have to track the right metrics. Close rate, demo rate, write-up rate, and gross per unit. If you don't measure it, you can't manage it. Data over feelings, establish a coaching cadence that sticks. Daily huddles for momentum, weekly one-on-ones for strategy, and monthly reviews for long-term vision. Consistency is your standard. Finally, protect your team's confidence. Coaching is more than pressure, it's encouragement. A confident salesperson is a dangerous closer. Build them up to lead the way. Implement these principles today and raise your standard. I'm Isaac Ward, and I'll see you in the next one. Now go win.